Hello guys, Mr. Bossum123 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom animals, as in make them babies and have them have like custom names above them and have their names be like colorful and such. But to get this video started, I just want to showcase a command that I've been working on for a very long time. Well, not a very long time, like 4 days, but I've done like 6 hours of non-stop coding in order to complete this command. But it's a showcase of a huge amount. Well, there's 6 arguments in the command, and the possibilities you could use is like endless. So yeah, 6 args. Well, it says 5, but 0 counts as 1. And I've basically made it so you can spawn in a custom animal of anything you want, instead of just being one specific thing like I'm going to show you today. Now, like I said, this has 250 different combinations of what you could do, but I'm just going to show you a little bit of it. So you would do /jank spawn, and a usage message comes up and it says argument 1, so /jank spawn, and then argument 2 is the animal you want, and the current animals are cows, wolves, sheep, chickens, and pigs. So I want a sheep, and then the quantity of the animal you want. So and it can only be 1 through 5, because if I did more than that, the combinations would go on forever. But like I'll just do 4, and then the name of the animal. So whatever you want to show above the animal's head. So I'll just do YouTube Bukkit show case, and then the age of the animal, which there are 2 options, baby or adult, and I'll just do 4 baby ones. And then the color of the name tag, so whatever I want this color to be. I can choose aqua, green, red, purple, or gold, and right now I'm feeling purple. So if everything works correctly, it'll send me a message: you spawn 4 baby sheep named YouTube Bukkit Showcase. And there they are. After 2 minutes, I've made it so they will despawn. And there's 4 of them with purple name tag. You can do YouTube Bukkit Showcase. They're sheep, they're babies. It's absolutely endless. I'll show you another one just to show you that this isn't the only one. I'll just do pig, 2, bacon, adult, and I will do a aqua, and 2 adult things with aqua name tag. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. These animals will despawn after 2 minutes, so it doesn't lag the server. And if you're not op, it will put you in an array list, like I showed you in my last video, in which you won't be able to use it again for 24 hours. So I pretty much put a cooldown on it if you're not op. But anyways, getting into our today's tutorial, and these are all the combinations. It took forever. It was very repetitive. But yeah, I'm gonna make a new plugin for this, actually. So I'm gonna go to new Java project. I'll do YouTube animals, and then finish. And then I go in here, I go to src, and I go to new package, me.kevin.animals I'll do. And then in my package I will have a main class. Oops, not another package. A class main. Okay, and in this main class, I also have to build path, external jars, and my craft bucket. Okay, now I will do extends Java. Oh man, plugin. And sorry I haven't been posting lots of videos lately. I have been quite busy. I have a school project, and I had a lacrosse tournament recently, so that's the reason I haven't been posting. But let's continue. So in this Java plugin, we'll have a public void on enable, and Man, I haven't done this in a while. And we'll have a bucket dot get server dot get logger, I believe. Yeah, I've done this. Get info, no, just info, and then custom animals can now be used. And I won't do it on disable, just we don't really need one. But I'm gonna do a command, so I'm just gonna go into here and copy this. And so we have our on command, command sender, sender, CMD, string label, string args, and that's our return statement. And okay, now I will show you how to actually make the method. So we'll do a public spawn, and I'll do a villager on villager, and this will take the parameters of a player P and a, and that's it actually. Okay, and now I can do villager v, I'll call him v, equals player p dot get location dot get world dot spawn, and then we do the where the player is standing when he spawns in this animal, so p dot get location, and the villager dot class. So that's good, and I believe this has to be a public void for the method. Yeah. And here I want to show you a bunch of stuff you can do. So you can do a bunch of stuff. So if you do v dot, you can do like set custom name, and then you can say what you want the name tag to be. So I'll just name him like Mr. Joe, the villager. And you can also do v dot set adult or baby. Baby villagers are pretty swag also, by the way. So I'll just do that. To actually make it so you can see their custom name, you have to do v dot set custom name visible true. And if you want it to be so that just when you like hover over the animal it'll show this, then you would do false here. But I'm gonna do true so everybody can see it. And you can also, for villagers specifically, you can set profession. And one profession is, I believe you do profession dot, yeah, there's a bunch of professions: blacksmith, butcher, farmer, librarian, priest. I'll do a blacksmith. So we're setting a baby villager as a, sorry, I got cut off there, my dad walked in. But as I was saying, we're setting the profession as a blacksmith. We're naming him Mr. Joe and making it so it's a custom, like you can see it, it's visibly seeable, and we're making it a baby villager. So now to actually use this method, we can do just a command. So if cmd.getName equals ignore case spawn villager, then we can do we can just send them a message, and I have to cast it first. So player p equals player sender. Okay, we can do p.send p.send message chat color dot green plus you spawned a villager. Okay, and then all we have to do is spawn villager, and then we have to give them the parameters of where it's going to be spawned, so right on the player. And then that's all you would need to do for this method. So now all I have to do is make a plugin.yml real quick. And it'll take a name, which is YouTube animals. Main, which is me.kevin.animals.main. And that's, oh, and a version, which goes right here. 1.0. Oh, of course, and commands. Can't forget about that. Commands. And then I'll do spawn villager. And usage / command. And description. Spawn a baby villager. Okay, now we're done with my plugin.yml. We can go ahead and refresh everything. And I will call it animals, YouTube animals. And now I gotta put it on my server. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And then YouTube animals. Put on my server real quick. Okay. And reload the server. And should be. Did I actually put it on? Don't know if I actually put it on. Load. Okay, so something's wrong, like always. Oh, something's always wrong. It's probably in the plugin.yml. C is not supposed to be capitalized, everybody. Okay, refresh that again. Export YouTube animals. And that should work. And it still didn't work. Name, version, main, me.kevin.animals, main. Seem to have done everything correctly. Let's go into another plugin.yml. Oh, I capitalized the V also. Now it will work. Kevin, you're a genius. Thanks, Kevin. But yeah, sorry about that. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. And put it on there. Wait for it to get on. Still being put on the server. So I'm just gonna run around while I wait. But when I do spawn villager, I believe it is. Yeah, spawn villager. It should spawn a villager. So I'm gonna reload. Please be there. Thank you. YouTube animals. Yeah, don't capitalize version and commands and stuff like that. But now when I do help YouTube animals. Oops, that was a command I made. I'll just do it. Spawn villager. You spawned a villager. And Mr. Joe the villager. I didn't actually set his name as a color. You can see he's a blacksmith, he's a baby, and you can see his name and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Sorry I haven't been posting lately, but yeah, bye.